Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. So, I forgot my fire kit. I know where it is. It's in another bag because I was going to go do a hammock hang. And I left the fire kit in that bag and just packed another pack to come out here for a day trip. But no problem because I've got a lighter. And I can make a twig bundle fire very easily. So, get rid of these bigger ones, I guess. We'll just shift these bigger ones to the back. So if I've done this a bunch of times, but basically just get yourself a bundle of twigs and try to shift the larger ones to the back or the top. So you want the little ones down here to burn, and then the heat will come through and hopefully start the larger ones. But you want to make sure you have the smallest twigs down there as you can, so I'll just bend them over, which they might pop back out, but you can just snap them off and lay them down in there. I know this is a hard way because I failed at this a few times at first, but so I think we're ready to rock. So, since heat rises, and this stuff is nice and dry, so shift it so that the fuel is above it. There we go. Of course, it would have been better to stay over here, but whatever. There she goes. Then I can start adding some larger fuel. There we go, easy pleasy. My dad is building a new shed in the backyard, so he basically said, hey, do you want these 2x4 pieces to take to the fire tomorrow? And I said, sure. Save me a lot of cutting and I guess it's a form of recycling. Nice. Well, thanks for watching.